What happened a while ago? I've been having this issue sometime. Seriously. Alright guys. Let's fix back everything right now. Man, are you serious? Alright guys, let's do this again, guys. Man, I got disconnected, guys. I'm so sorry. Apologize. I don't know what happened. PlayStation be up in them feelings, bruh. Like, seriously. Yo, I'm killing my flow, bruh. PSN be up in them feelings, bruh. Yeah, I'm messing with my stream, bruh. And my viewers. And you know I be loving my viewers, bruh. Why you gonna do this to me? Jeez. One second, guys. Just trying to get back the feed. Stabilize the feed to optimal so you guys can see it in 60 frames per second. Really? Man. Okay guys, we should be good now. Okay. We should be good. Okay guys. Alright, here we go. Apologize about that, guys. I have no idea what happened. The net just went. Alright, let's go, guys.
I dreamt about flying the other night.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Go on, tell me about it.
So, I'm on this big plane full of people, and everyone is screaming and yelling because the plane's
Apologize
going wrong.
about that, guys.
So I walk to the cockpit, open the door, there's no pilot. I try to use the controls, but I obviously have no clue how to fly a plane. And right before we crash, I wake up. I've never been on a plane. Isn't that weird?
You know, dreams are weird.
Guys, I'm so sorry about the disconnection. I'm pissed, believe me. Totally mess up my flow, bruh.
Another city, another abandoned quarantine zone.
Yeah, guys know me. I'll be looking for loot. Yeah. I go everywhere, bruh. I look up in the corners if I can some loot, so I can buy something to upgrade my gun, so I can shoot. Do. Yeah. There ain't nothing here, bruh. Ooh. I know I'm gonna find something. I'm just saying. I know I was gonna find something, boy. even if it's wrecking a piece of chicken or something. I know I be gonna find something, boy. No, I told y'all go man find something, boy. Told y'all gonna find something, boy. Yeehaw!
There's that hospital the Firefly mentioned. Come on, kiddo.
Guys, I do not trust this place. Maybe because I damn black. But I don't trust nothing, boy. I always got my damn pistol out, boy. As a matter of fact, let me switch to my damn shotgun. I ain't gonna take no break from nobody. No breaks! No breaks! You know better. No, you know better. No breaks. No breaks. They know better. They know better.
Maybe we cut through here, huh?
You guys know me, I'm just searching around. I'm just that scavenger guy that always be looking for them loots, right? Ooh, I told you I'm gonna find some goodies. Yagi! Yay! We're at a train station? Is this a train station or a bus station? Goodies. Whole lot of damn goodies. I love finding goodies, guys. Goodies are nice. When you find loot, woo! Sweetest feeling in the world. Rewards be reaping, bruh. The rewards. Okay, so...
Everything all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You just kind of seem extra quiet today.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's not. It's fine.
Ooh, more goodies, guys. Yes. Yes.
Well, we could use that ladder. Here we go. Ellie?
Something is on her mind.
Ellie?
What?
The ladder.
Right.
Girl, what's wrong with you? What's on your mind, Ellie? Ellie, what's on your mind, baby girl? You're stressing me out, dog. Guys, remember to bang 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 on that like button below and support Jamaica on YouTube. Whoop, hey. Guys, I do apologize for the disconnection of the stream a while ago. I do not know what happened, but I was pissed. But we're back now.
Oh my god.
What is it?
Oh my god.
Ellie! Ellie!
What's wrong with that damn girl?
You gotta see this.
What is it?
Is it loot?
I don't see anything.
I thought that was damn loot.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, this. Girl be frightening me. Oh, this part.
Come on, hurry up.
Oh, the giraffe. Okay, I can imagine. It's her first time really being outside and seeing a lot of stuff, guys.
You see this?
Yes, it's our first time seeing a giraffe.
Don't scare it.
I won't.
What are you doing?
It's all right. Come here.
See?
Hurry up.
So it's our first time seeing a giraffe. How the hell a giraffe be existing during this damn zombie ain't near you?
So fucking cool. Where's it off to? Here, come on, let's go.
Slow down, kiddo.
Come on.
Alright, I look for goodies. I go and see Batman, I look for loot. I want to have like tips. I gotta find the loot. Trying to make this dough you be talking about damn giraffe.
Oh, man. Wow. Look at those things.
So, is everything you were hoping for?
It's got its ups and downs.
Let's go.
You can't deny the view, though.
This is so beautiful, girl. The view is so beautiful. I'm back online, guys. Sorry about the disconnection. Alright, guys. Okay, she's really enjoying this right now.
We don't have to do this. You know that, right?
What's the other option?
Go back to Tommy's. Be done with this whole damn thing.
Mm-hmm.
After all we've been through.
Leffy.
Everything that I've done.
Junda Ali. Hello, my friend. Welcome to the live stream. What up? What up? What up? Good afternoon, my friend. How are you doing?
Look, I know you mean well, but there's no halfway with this. Once we're done, we'll go wherever you want. Okay?
Well, I ain't leaving without you. Let's go wrap this up.
I got a feeling it's zombie time. Time to look for some loot. Lucifer, Shelby, Wagwan, welcome.
Ellie, I think I found another one of them comics you've been reading.
What up, bro? You good? I'm good. Will you be playing Resident Evil 2 Remake? Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. It all depends on the review on it. It's kind of hard to play. What you wanna you like that game? Let me tell you what I might get for sure though. Days Gone. It's a pretty cool game. I played the demo before Resident Evil 2 remake. I didn't get much time. That 30 minutes was so fast. It went by so fast. Wow. Was a good run. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm gonna need all of this. Okay, guys. I do apologize, guys, once again for the disconnection early on, like 15 minutes ago. I do not know what happened. That would be from my server, or no, I shouldn't say server, that would be from my network side or PSN. Big up yourself, Digital Play. Digital Fiber, the fastest fiber in the Caribbean. So if you're Jamaican and you're interested in getting fiber internet,
This place takes me
toll
back.
free 145 from your phone.
It was right
Yes.
after everything went down. I ended up in a triage just like this. Everywhere you look, I just saw families torn apart. The whole damn world seemed to have turned upside down in a blink.
Is that after you lost Sarah?
Yes, it was.
I can't imagine losing someone you love like that. Losing everything that you know. I'm sorry, Joel.
It's okay, Ellie.
Jano. Okay, so I guess I start getting used to one another now. I definitely gonna need a block. For sure. Days Gone seems like a good game. Yeah, but I'm still gonna check it out though. The reason why I'm not rushing to buy video games anymore, a lot of reasons. I've seen where I've rushed to go and buy video games. That was a big disappointment, man. It's like, oh my god. Oh, it was a big disappointment, guys. So yes, thanks yourself. Yeah. Thanks, Jay. You're the greatest in the world. Yeah, so I see where I've done that, guys, and it was a big disappointment. Especially one of the biggest disappointments for me was Destiny. Yeah, Destiny 2. Oh, acquired 2. It was a big letdown. So what I tend to do, I just wait a little bit, then I try. I also liking Anthem, but Anthem reminds me of Destiny and Warframe. Nothing is wrong with Warframe. Warframe is cool. That was the first free game that I got when I got my PlayStation 4. But I'm definitely looking forward to Last of Us 2. Definitely looking forward to that, man. Yeah. I wanna upgrade this. Okay. Yeah. And I'm also looking forward to Kingdom Hearts 3. Woo! That game is so cool. Do you play PC games as well? Well, I'd like to play PC games as well. That's in that will happen in the future when my channel blows up and I'm able to acquire the funding to do so. But for now, I am using console, and I'm using a technology that can also give me the capability to stream overseas, but I'm not using it right now. Yeah. So I'm from Jamaica, by the way, so yeah. Okay, guys, did we search everywhere? Did we get everything? Okay, here's the upgrade area. Oh god, that's a whole lot of loot. Woo. Okay, guys, let's see what we can upgrade up here. Oof. Do you have do you sell do you play PC games also, bro? Okay. We need to upgrade. I gotta upgrade my favorite gun. God. You know what I'm saying? Armor piercing. Okay. 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 I'm upgrading all my bullets, boy. Oh my god, everything done already? Ah, that was so fast though.
That'll do nicely.
Oh, yeah, I have Black Ops. I have that on PlayStation right now. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna save this. I ain't trust no game. Definitely gotta save this, guys. I'm still here, guys, just saving the game. Okay, and we are back. Yeah. I'm very hungry. I'm eating Wendy's. Did you bro, did you play God of War also? I love that game. Oh, Halo. I play that. I have the on my original Xbox. Yeah, I play that game also. Halo was different. Halo on the original Xbox was big. That was a huge ass game. I'm like, damn. That game was a big game. In terms of landscape, everything. Huge. Okay, I think I'm turning back, guys. I need to. Went the wrong way. Sorry about that. Let's keep it moving. Okay, so. Okay, guys. So I'm thinking this is where it's gonna get. Oh, definitely God of War. 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Love that game, man.
I got something for you.
What you got for me? What
Here.
is that?
Maria showed this to me and I stole it. I hope you don't mind.
No matter how hard you try, I guess you can't escape your past.
Nope.
Thank you.
Only Jesus, bruh. Only Jesus. Does this place look familiar, guys? Okay. Okay, guys, here we go. This game is a big game, guys. Like, this is my second time playing this game, and it's like things are so different.
It's gonna be different.
First time I
Snow.
played it on the
What do you mean?
PlayStation
They're gonna
3,
be there.
no PS4.
Fireflies. Sure of it.
Okay. Got my fries. Everything's so expensive in this game now. Damn. I remember this part, guys. Oh my god. Okay. What's this? Yes! Damn! Yes. Sorry I have to leave the button, but the axe is an instant kill, guys, so it's recommended, believe me. Like, the axe, instant kill. Hide from the monsters. Man, I remember this part. I hate it so much. This, guys, this part hard. Okay, you're gonna see. Shit, here they are. Damn. Okay. Yo, this section, guys, gave me such a big problem when I first played this game, but now I'm way better. See, the thing is, guys, I have to kill the big guy. Go 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 go. Shit. Where is he? Where is he? Go 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 go. There he is. Quick, switch. Watch him. Where is he? No. What? What the hell? He ain't dead. Switch. Where's the flamethrower? No. Okay, good.
Holy shit.
Stay quiet.
Oh, Francisco, welcome to the live stream, bro. Guys, the plan wasn't to use that much ammo. I don't understand how that zombie saw me. I didn't want to finish all my Motavo, so yeah, I switched to the flamethrower, guys, because it can be crazy. This is where, guys, it's gonna get crazy. So this is the excited part of the game, and this is also the hardest part. You're gonna see. This is where I cannot afford to die or waste bullets or ammo at all. This part is crazy. Y'all gonna see. This part that gave me the most headache. But it's also so fun to kill all these monsters. Oh shucks, see? More guys, see? I died here so many times. Nice. Yo, I use up so much resources here, guys. It was crazy right now. I really don't want to go in all blazing, because trust me, it's gonna be so damn crazy, guys. Right here, it's gonna be so crazy. You have to be so careful. This is where all your skills are gonna be put to the test. I remember over here I died a lot. This is on PlayStation 3, because I have this on PlayStation 3. See? So they want me to definitely use the flamethrower a lot. Yeah, okay, y'all gonna see.
I know, let's just keep at it.
See that, guys? Baby girl, come on, let's go. Keep focused, boo. Do not fire that gun unless it's super necessary, okay? We don't want to give away our locations.
Stay back.
Shit. Y'all see that, guys? That is crazy. You see how many zombies over there, guys? Haha. It's crazy, guys. Trust me. Trust me. There's a lot of zombies here. A lot. Guys, when I say there's a lot. See how many bullets stuff they're giving me? There's a lot, guys. It is so scary right now. This is where everything will be put to the test right now. Alright, healing speed, listen distance, yes. I definitely need to upgrade that. And that's at max right now. See, I know they were gonna do that. And this was the reason why I upgraded the sniper, guys, for armor piercing, because of this reason. Oh god. No, wrong way. Oh my god. Stay inside, baby girl. Shit, they're coming. Switch. Back off. Here we go, baby girl. Here we go, baby. Here we go, baby Ellie. Here we go. They're coming. Watch them. Oh, shooks. I should have planted a trap. Stay, baby girl. Move. Watch it, baby girl. Watch. Let's go. Oh, shucks! Where the hell did that come from? Get them, baby girl. Let's go. Let's go, baby girl. Let's go. You have to watch that bullet, guys. Watch those ammo. Nice. Tudor. Nice. Let's go. How many left? Sense anymore?
We killed him.
Okay, good.
I
Oh,
think we got all of them.
good.
I think you're right.
And Darren's are right.
Good one, team. Good one. Good. Got some shotgun bullets. Let's switch out, guys. See? So I used what? One Motav, one sniper bullet, and half, okay. Should I use this now? Is this more? No. See, I love my X. Okay, fine. Alright, let's switch over to this, baby. Alright, cool. Really full? Damn. Okay, alright, cool, guys. So the good thing, we have a lot of bullets. Alright, so that's the good thing, but not so much for the Beretta. Let's go in, guys. saw something up here. I know I saw something up here. Stop playing with me, boy.
All right, you think you can shove that crate down?
No sweat.
Okay, let's go. Whew, that was good.
Okay. Look out below.
Oh. Alright, guys. And Ellie still can't swim. Oh my god, it's 219. Come, little one. Joe, y'all need to teach her how to
Watch
swim.
your step. That water looks pretty deep.
Hey, that's what we can do once we're done.
What's that?
You can teach me how to swim.
Yes, I agree. You need to learn how to swim, girl. Damn, at least that. At least that. I'm just saying. Y'all need to learn how to swim. Learn how to swim. Okay. Okay, oh. So, how are we gonna get that now? Okay, so I need to find a log or something like that. Because I need to get that down from up there. So what I need to do is carry her across on a piece of crate. But there ain't no crate, so I have to look for it. Okay, here's the pathway. Swim, 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 boy, swim.
I'm on the other side. All right, hold on.
Okay, good. Here we go, guys. Ah. Hello. Welcome to the live stream. Pisco. Oh, you're Italian. Hi. Welcome to the live stream. I am Jamaican. I am from Jamaica. What are you doing, Joe? So, big up Italy. Love from Jamaica. Hey. And how am I going to give it to her? Okay, good stuff. She got it. How are you, my friend?
All right, just stick to the edge. It's shallow over there.
Just here playing some game and eating Wendy's.
Oh, freezing!
Oh my god.
And another jam door.
Yep.
Alright. Give me your foot.
Okay.
Come on. Get that door open.
Hey, Francisco. Welcome again. Hi again.
Look out!
Help me!
You okay?
Yeah. They just surprised me.
But I saw it there
Can't wait
though.
for those things to be wiped out.
Oh, you want all trophies? Wow. That's gonna be hard. You know that the trophies are pretty hard to get in this game, right? Well, PlayStation trophies on a whole. Ooh, goodies, 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 goodies. I always love goodies. Oh, I can. Okay. No. I can upgrade again.
Let's do this.
Let's see how many. Range, that'll be good. Okay, let's go.
That looks good.
Thank you very much, Francisco. I appreciate it, my friend. You just saying that just put an awesome smile on my face. Francisco, you are the awesomest friend I have. Big up yourself, my friend.
Watch your head.
Francisco. Needful shift. Oh God, ain't got none of that. That's a loot room, guys. There are loots in that room. No, I used everything off. Hey, man. Pisco, yes, I am playing on PlayStation 4.
Hey, look. There it is. God,
more puzzles again. Hey.
Just stay put.
I'm not going anywhere.
I ain't making that jump.
Go, 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 go. Alright, good. Damn, I left her on the other side. I know I missed something in there. I know I missed something up in there. I know I missed some good loot, guys. You see, this game always tend to hide the good loots in the water. Sean X, welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, man, big brother, I'm there. I know how things stay up on your side. You good?
We made it. All right, come on. Across.
They are play some Last of Us, is it? And I'm here eating Wendy's burger.
Okay, there. I'm on it.
Yeah, I eat some fries and food, you do.
I got you.
What's that Simba saw a while ago? Oh. Guys, every time I play this game, I see something different.
Damn ladder broke off the wall.
Now what?
I'll figure something out.
Just need to put it over here. Oh, Francisco, you leaving? Alright, cool, bro. Thank you very much for stopping by, man. Big up yourself. They're great. Let's see what y'all want me to do. But guys, knowing me and knowing that I am a scavenger, to get the good loot, before I do that, alright, fine. I'm gonna just do it then. Can I search around here, guys? I passed this area, but I didn't get to search it, guys. There might be loot in here, guys. Might. Really? 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 How the hell I died and I fell in the water? That even make no sense. But whatever, man. Whatever. 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 I'm meant to be together. I'll be there and you'll be here. And that's the deal, my dear. Why don't let me drown? I see something. No? Okay, good. Ain't no loot here, guys. Ain't no loot. Thought I could get some loot or something. Got no loot here, man. Hey. Alright, cool. Let's go, boy. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Swim, Joe. I'm gonna drown. Damn, boy. I'm gonna drown. Okay, good. I'm alive. Whew. We alive. We alive. We alive. High five. We alive. Okay, guys. So there's no loot around here. So let's keep it moving. And if you're a real Last of Us fan, then you will know that loot is life. Loot is life. Well, we smart. What do you mean? Oh, no. Okay, guys. Alright, guys.
Oh boy.
Let me go ahead, and you follow my lead.
Okay, right behind you.
Yep. And another madness is begun. Okay. Okay, guys. Alright, cool. This is where the madness begins.
Alright? Doing my best.
So how come she jump and I didn't jump, bruh? Okay. And guys, I remember when I got stuck here one time for a very long time. What did I do? I'm trying to remember. What did I do again? Okay, that's what I did.
Come on, jump.
You're gonna catch
That's what I
me?
did.
I got you.
That's what I did.
See? You didn't even need me.
Let's get the hell off this thing.
Uh-huh. I knew it!
Ellie, move!
Go, 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 go! Damn you, Joe! I hate you, damn boy! Damn you, Joe! You be playing with my game, bruh. Go, Joe, go! Damn you, Joe! Open! Holy smoke! Where's Ellie? Where's Ellie? Swim, 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 swim. Okay, we've made it. I really thought I drowned there. I'm sure I drowned there. What the hell? My hero.
Hands in the air!
She's not breathing.
Hands in the fucking air!
Come on, man.
Oh God, not again.
Welcome to the Fireflies. Sorry about that. They didn't know who you were.
And Ellie?
She's all right. They brought her back. You came all this way. How'd you do it?
It's fight.
It was her. She fought like hell to get here. Maybe it was meant to be.
I lost most of my crew crossing the country. I pretty much lost everything. And then you show up, and somehow we find you just in time to save her. Maybe it was meant to be.
Take me to her.
You don't have to worry about her anymore. We'll take care
I
of her.
worry. Just let me see her, please.
You can't. She's being prepped for surgery.
The hell you mean surgery?
The doctors tell me the cordyceps, the growth inside her, is somehow mutated. It's why she's immune. Once they remove it, they'll be able to reverse engineer a vaccine. A vaccine.
But it grows all over the brain.
It does.
Find someone else.
There is no one else.
So you were gonna show me where she...
Damn. So guys, the thing in
I
her
get
brain, once they remove it, she's gonna
Whatever
die.
it is you think you're going
But
through
they
right now is
will
nothing
find the
to what I have
vaccine
been through.
just by
I
doing
knew her
it.
since she was born. I promised your mother I would look after her.
Then why are you letting this happen?
Because this isn't about me, or even her. There is no other choice here.
Yeah, you keep telling yourself that bullshit.
So
March him
guys,
outta here. He tries anything, shoot him. Release this gift.
so once you remove it from her brain, guys, she'll be dead.
I said get up. Go on. Move.
Here we go.
I said move. Give me an excuse. Which way?
What the fuck you doing? Keep walking.
I said keep walking. Where's the operating room? I ain't got time for this. Where?
Where?
Top floor, the far end.
One. Nice.
He's in here.
You got any surprises for me?
Guys, may I kill everybody. I'm sorry, I'm killing everybody. Really? I'm killing everybody. Tango down. Reloading. Switching to shotgun. Reloading. Alright, here we go. The hell? Shit! Yo, I'ma get shot there so quick, shotgun, switch shotgun. I when him come. What kind of gun is that, bruh? I didn't even see that guy.
I'm gonna look around out here. You guys, go check over that way.
Got a new gun, guys. Yes. Yes. Got an assault rifle, guys. Switching. Woo. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm liking this already. Okay, let me switch. I think this. Okay, guys, here we go. What? Oh, we ain't got nothing. Alright. No. Okay. Alright, good. We're good, guys. I got enough of everything. So I'm looking for Ellie, guys. Trying to find the room where she's in. But she ain't on this side. Oh, if y'all ever hurt my daughter, you see, y'all gonna feel it. Okay, guys, let's get back focused. Okay. I'm only seeing one enemy so far. Oh. Watch him fool ya. Guys, I always feel like something is in my ears. Okay, so one is here, guys. Okay, got this. Got this. Okay. Okay. Lots of goodies, guys. I'm not even gonna overexert myself, guys. I'm just gonna take my time and do all of this. So okay. Yo, how the hell? You ain't dead. Come on, I do want to miss. Tango down. What? You guys saw that, right? How come this dude ain't dead?
Surround him!
Watch. Switch. Shotgun. I can't use this thing. I don't like it. Alright, guys, so we're gonna go. We have to. Alright, Alright, so.
Keep him down.
Watch,
Dead,
watch.
asshole!
Reloading. Go. Oh, good. They all down. Good. So far, so good, guys. Tangos are down. Yo, Max, what up? Yeah, thanks, bro. Sorry, Nightbot is just always being a douchebag when she's ready. Thanks, bro. Just try to get rid of these evil guys, man. I do not like the assault rifle. It's not all that. It's, I mean, okay. Need to make back some stuff that I used up. Just making sure that I didn't leave anything behind, guys. Oof. Alright, guys, I think this is where the real battle is gonna begin now. Shit. Watch him. Tango down. Reloading. Good kill. Yo, my shotgun totally messed up my flow, guys. It was still good anyway. That was a good one. Man, I was fighting, bro. I was putting up a fight. go down like that, boy. Don't go down like that. Alright, let me heal up, guys. Better to be safe than unsafe, right? Alright, let's go. Since I don't have much bullet in this gun, I think I'm gonna switch to my pistol right now. Not much bullet, but hey, might save me. Yeah, shit. I heard something.
He's over here!
This nigga load up my thing. Boys over here, you can't talk so. Ain't nobody exceed nothing, bruh. Damn. No, I need back the bottle. Alright. Okay, guys, so I'll create some. Okay. See, it's funny because when I was doing the melee attack, it wasn't working. That's crazy. Here we go. Wartime.
April 28th. Marlene was right. The girl's in...
Go.
See, guys, see what happened? Just like the first one I couldn't open, there's a lot of loot. When you open them, there's a whole lot. No! Where the hell is my baseball bat? So you're telling me I had no baseball bat, bruh? I get really excited, guys, when I get a lot of loot. Alright, let me keep this for now. This looks like it's gonna be a big fight, guys. If they're giving me so much loot, yeah, something crazy is gonna happen. Did I just get a scissors a while ago? This game is weird, bruh. Okay. Okay, no. I could do it with one. Okay. Getting closer. Some bad gun them. What you mean, bro? Oh. Why would Nightbot time out Max for 600 seconds? Max, be careful how you're using the lot of caps and the emojis. That's when Nightbot will attack you. Just made a blade, though. I just got a blade. That's stupid. I just took up a blade. Why is this game malfunctioning? I just took up a blade. Ode Nelson, Wagwan, up big brother, Wagwan, welcome to the live stream. Everything good with you? Damn, oh my damn pitney at. Oh my damn child boy. So guys, I made I upgrade this sniper to be armor piercing. So let's test it out. Tango down. Alright, one tango down. Tango down. Reloading. Cause these guys here, guys, they're wearing armor piercing. They're wearing armor, body armor. That even when I'm using a shotgun, I have to give him like 3 shots. Okay, shit, they got me. Tango down. One more shot. Have one bullet left. There's a sniper right there, guys. Watch him. Look out for that sniper. Zoom in. Tango down. Good shot, good shot, good shot. Alright, switching to the sniper bullets now, guys. On this gun, okay. How many tangos left? 3. Alright. Watch. Watch. Y'all guys saw that, right? Oh, the hell, he ain't dead. Okay, tactical time now. Let's go. How is he not dead? Guys, I shot him in his forehead. Why you ain't dead, man? That's stupid. You're supposed to be dead, bruh. Like, seriously, why you ain't dead? Hey, only thing that work here, guys, is like some serious close combat weapons. And I ain't see no more bodies. But all the way up there. Alright, cool. I need to get this. Alright, cool. Oh, pushing, guys. So we have 1, 2.
Go check down there.
Where the hell is this guy?
Right here. Shh. Mendoda. Your friend is dead. Your friend is dead. Your friend is dead. I'm coming for you. I am the boogeyman. I got to act like Batman. Yeah, I know, right, bro? Just like Batman. Okay, let me see if I can get this guy with a long range. Tango down. If he ain't down, I'm never ever playing this game again, guys. Cause I know my fingers be straight on these things, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so we got to look for some loot. Hopefully I get some bullets. Cause these guys really nothing, 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 nothing for all my work. I got nothing. I got no loot. After all, I ain't got nothing for my work, bruh. I ain't got nothing for my hard work, bruh. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. I ain't got no time for that, bruh.
Sweet Jesus.
Doctor? What are you doing here? I won't let you take her.
Out of my face, man. I don't care what I'm about. What you dog?
You fucking animal!
Terry, shut the hell up.
Shut your mouth.
Oh, God.
Everybody are dead. Everybody are dead. Everybody are dead. Everybody are dead. Okay? I ain't leaving no witnesses. Y'all wicked. Even though I shouldn't blame the doctors. But hey, I can't leave no witnesses, man.
Shit. Over here. I'm getting you out of here, girl. I got you. I got you. Come on. Damn it, which way? Go around to the other side. We're okay. We're okay. I said get back! Stop!
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
You can't save her. Even if you get her out of here, then what? How long before she's torn to pieces by a pack of clickers? That is, if she hasn't been raped and murdered first.
It ain't for you to decide.
It's what she'd want. You know it. Look. You can still do the right thing here. She won't feel anything.
Okay, what happened?
What the hell am I wearing?
What happened?
Drugs are still wearing off.
What happened?
They take you in our room like R. Kelly and them want to rape you.
Fireflies.
Now I mean the Fireflies are R. Kelly's workers. That's what they wanted to do. I tell you guys.
Turns out there's a whole lot more like you, Billy. People that are immune. There's dozens, actually. Ain't done a damn bit of good, neither. They've stopped looking for a cure. I'm taking us home. I'm sorry.
That's the wickedest lie I've ever seen since the birth of my...
Wait! Let me go. Please.
You just come after her.
Mm-mm. Yes, Chris. This is Last of Us. It is Last of Us.
Looks like we're
Not Last of Us 2. That's why I said Last of Us 2. I wish.
Should be a
I
straight
put a
shot.
bracket. I wish.
Actually kind of pretty, ain't it?
Yes.
All right. You don't want your head going through.
But I'm really looking forward to part 2 though.
Feeling my age now. Don't think I ever told you, but Sarah and I used to take hikes like this. I think
Yes, it looks pretty great.
Would have been good friends. I think you really would have liked it. I know she'd have liked you.
Bet I would have.
Oh. Down there.
Oh, he went back to where he lived. In
little
this
bit further now.
city.
There. I got you. Give me your hand. All right, come on.
Alright, cool. Thank you very
Hey, wait.
thanks for stopping by, Chris.
Back in Boston? Back when I was bitten? I wasn't alone. My best friend was there. And she got bit too. We didn't know what to do. So... she says... let's just wait it out. You know, we can be all poetic and just lose our minds together. I'm still waiting for my turn.
Ellie.
Her name was Riley, and she was the first to die. And then it was Tess. And then Sam.
None of that is on you.
You don't understand.
I struggled for a long time with surviving. And no matter what, you keep finding something to fight for. Now, I know that's not what you want to hear right now.
Swear to me. Swear to me that everything that you've said about the Fireflies is true.
I swear.
Boy, that's a damn lie. The lie detector say you a liar.
Okay?
Okay, guys. It's been great. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this awesome game. Big up yourselves. So, guys, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna switch, and I'm gonna come right back with some Black Ops. You know what I'm saying? Some COD. So stay tuned. I'm gonna see you in a few minutes. Let's go. Nothing can stop us, cause God of Morocco. Whoop. Hey.